back to my channel. I am CSJAS. How is your preparation going on for June 2022 exams? I hope you have started the preparation and you're not waiting for the results, as I always suggest. So if you're preparing, so let me tell you that I host free live classes on Unacademy daily at 7 p.m. of GIGL and company law for CS executive students. You are a CS executive student, you must join the class as it's totally free of cost. Just unlock my class by using my code CSJAS. So I'm here to announce another two special live classes on Unacademy regarding company law today and tomorrow. That is 21st to 22nd January, sharp at 7 p.m. On 21st January, we will do the further issue of share capital and the topic of ESOS in detail, which is quite asked in the exams because I have gone through the earlier scanners and the guideline answers, and I know that these topics, the basic topics, are normally asked in the exams. And tomorrow we will discuss the topic of private placement of shares, bonus shares and sweat equity shares. Again, something that is being asked, not just the definitions but also difference between. So these topics are quite important as they are basic. You just have to know about the basic, what is this kind of share, what is that kind of share, so that you can write the definition as well as you can make differences between them as well. So ये सारी topics बहुत important है from the viewpoint of the examination. So make sure that you're joining the session. The sessions are totally free of cost. You can unlock them by using my code CSJAS. दोनों ही classes के class links you'll find in the description box. Make sure you're clicking on them and press notify me so that before the start of the session you get a notification. Other than that, Unacademy offers multiple courses for CS students. So the batch links to the courses is also in the description box below. You can directly go and check and click on the batch link and get subscription. And while getting subscription, use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. Alongside flat 10% discount, you will also get an opportunity to talk to me. You'll also get an opportunity to have a 30-minute video call with me. That's a one-on-one mentorship call. How can you schedule that call? The steps are given in the description box below. Make sure you're using those steps to schedule a mentorship call with me after you get the subscription using my code CSJAS. So looking forward to meet you all today and tomorrow at 7 p.m. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.